Welcome to another video in which we are going to write Python program to capitalize the first character of a string. Now guys, the meaning of capitalize means for a series of characters, the first character of the first word must be the capital letter. So in case if it is a small letter, then how do we capitalize the string? We will check that. So we can easily capitalize the first character of a string in Python by using two ways. The first way is by using the string slicing that we are going to check with the help of examples as well. And the second way is by using the capitalize function. So guys, let us check both these methods in the VS Code over here using the examples. So let's say the example of the string, that is str, it is equal to, we say programming for beginners, which is the name of the YouTube channel that you should definitely subscribe if you have not done so. So as you can see over here, we have provided the name of this YouTube channel in such a way that the first character, that is P, is a small letter over here. Now how do we capitalize this? Meaning, how do we have the name of this YouTube channel in such a way that the first character, that is P, is in uppercase and the other characters are lowercase as it is being displayed over here. So we can easily do that using string slicing. So we will have the print function and then we can have the label, that is capitalized version of string and then colon, and then what we can do over here is we use the string, that is str over here, and the first character needs to be capitalized. So we need to access the first character by using the open and close square brackets, as you can see, and inside the square brackets we can provide the 0, that is the index of the first character. Now guys, basically what we are doing over here is we are accessing the first character of the entire string, and then we can provide dot, and then we can have the upper function. So guys, this will change the lowercase character to the uppercase character over here, and then followed by open and close brackets. So guys, basically we have converted the lowercase character, that is the first character, to the uppercase, and then we need to join it with the remaining characters over here, as you can see. So we will have the string concatenation operator, that is plus, and then followed by, we can again use the string slicing. So we provide str, and then inside the open and close brackets we provide one as the start point, and then we don't provide the end point over here. That's because we have to go from the first character up to the last character over here as far as indexes are concerned. So basically we are considering the second character from here, which is being accessed by using the index, that is 1 in this case, that we have provided over here. So guys, this is the part of string slicing, and also this we have used the string slicing in order to convert the lowercase to uppercase. Now let me just save this file now and try running this code. So as you can see, we are getting programming for beginners, and this time we have got the first character, that is P letter, is in uppercase letter. So guys, this is one way in order to capitalize the given string. Now we can also use the simple capitalize function in order to convert the first character to the uppercase letter over here. So what we can do is simply I'll remove this section of the code, and then we can have string that we have defined followed by dot, and then we can say capitalize. So as you can see, it returns a capitalized version of the string. More specifically, make the first character have uppercase and the rest lowercase over here. So this is the functionality of this function. So we have to provide open and close parentheses over here. So let me just save this file now and try running this code once again. So as you can see, capitalized version of string, it is programming for beginners. So guys, there is a spelling mistake over here that I did not realize. So it is capitalized in this case. So I'll run this code once again. So this time we will have the correct spelling over here, that is capitalized version of string. It is programming for beginners, and the important thing is the first character is being converted to uppercase from lowercase letter that was provided to this str variable. Guys, what will be the output if we provide Python language over here? So comment in the comment section below. So please make sure that you practice on your own so that you get the correct answer for this string, that is Python language. Comment in the comment section below with the correct answer. Let us see whether your answer is correct or not. Make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is Python program to compute all permutations of the string. So stay tuned.